Today we will be unboxing the Satechi USB Type-C power meter for you. The power meter comes in a well-cared package with good-looking graphics. In the inside you won't find a lot of stuff, only the power meter well protected by a plastic case. On one side of the power meter you will find the USB-C female and on the other USB-C male. On the front you have a little LCD display to show you measurements. When you connect it to a USB cable you get readings for your voltage, your current and the current over time in milliamps. An arrow also shows in which way the power is flowing. Stay tuned, as this power meter will be casting in some interesting videos on the channel.